Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Zorin OS 17.2 on VirtualBox. So first download the Zorin OS by going to zorin.com. Now click on download. See here we have Zorin OS 17.2 is Pro edition, but if you want free edition, see here we have the Core and Education. Okay, you can select either of them. These two are the free. Okay. But this is for basic use and this is with educational for schools and students. Okay, I'm going to but the installation process is same for Zorin Pro and free. That means core and education. So I have downloaded this one. Click on download. Skip to download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its a size is 3.2 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Zorin OS 17.2. Let me show you. See, I have already downloaded Zorin OS 17.2 ISO file. Okay, once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Click on it to open. See, these are the list of the virtual machines that I have installed on this PC. Okay, to create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. New. Then give the version number Zorin. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then select the location. Then click on select folder. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on drop down, select other. See here we have the Zorin OS 17.2 ISO. Select it. See, once you select it, type selected as Linux and subtype select Ubuntu. Okay, then hardware, I'm going to give 4 gigabytes memory, 2 CPU cores. Then hard disk, I'm going to give 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings, just right click on this one, then select settings, or click on the settings, or select it and go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. See here we have the three options: try or install Zorin OS, safe graphics, modern, NVIDIA, drivers or power off. So I want to go with the first one, but hit enter. See here, you have the options like try Zorin OS or install Zorin OS. Select language and click on install Zorin OS. Then select language English and click on continue. Download updates while installing Zorin OS. I don't want now. So if you want to install third party, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want download the updates. I can update the later. Okay, so unselect and click on continue. Select this erase disk and install Zorin OS. Click on install now. This is just confirmation. Click on continue. Now select the time zone. I'm okay with that. See, I'm from India, so it has selected this one. So suppose if you are from US, you can select on this code old map, or you can search here also. Okay, so click on next, that is continue. Now we have to create a user. I'm giving username as R2 schools. Then this is the computer name or host name. Then this is the actual username. This is user full name. Okay, then provide the password. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. I'm going to pause this video and I will resume whenever it asks us to reboot. Installation is completed. Now it is asking us to reboot now. But before that, click on this optical drive, then remove from the disk drive. Then click on force mount, click on it. See, reboot has been started. Click on username, then provide the password. Now open terminal. You can find that in system tools, or you can search here. Terminal. Click on it. Now verify the version of the Zorin OS we have installed. More/etc OS-release. See, we have installed Zorin OS 17.2. Okay. Control L. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. It is typo. Type and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Zorin OS 17.2 on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.